Do you know what your strengths are? And do you know how to use them to achieve your goals and happiness? In this video, we will show you how to find your strengths and use them to your advantage. What are strengths? Strengths are the things that you do well, enjoy doing, and feel confident about. They are not just skills or talents that you have learned, but also natural abilities and personality traits that make you unique. For example, some people are good at math, some people are good at music, some people are good at being honest, and some people are good at being optimistic. Strengths can be divided into 4 categories. 1. Knowledge. This is what you know and have learned in a certain field or topic. 1. For example, you may have a degree in engineering, a certification in accounting, or a lot of experience in marketing. 2. Skills. This is what you can do and perform in a certain task or activity. 2. For example, you may be able to write well, speak well, code well, or play an instrument well. 3. Talents. This is what you have a natural gift or potential for. 3. For example, you may be born with a creative mind, a musical ear, or an athletic body. 4. Character. This is what you value and believe in, and how you behave and think. 4. For example, you may have a strong sense of honesty, optimism, curiosity, or kindness. Why are strengths important? Strengths are important because they can help you. 1. Achieve your goals. When you use your strengths, you are more likely to succeed in whatever you want to do. 1. For example, if you are good at communication. 2. Achieve your goals. When you use your strengths, you are more likely to succeed in whatever you want to do. 2. For example, if you are good at communication, you can use it to persuade others to support your ideas or projects. 2. Or if you are good at math, you can use it to solve complex problems or manage your finances. 3. Boost your confidence. When you use your strengths, you feel more confident in yourself and your abilities. 3. You also get more positive feedback and recognition from others. 3. For example, if you are good at creativity, you can use it to create something original and impressive that others will admire. 3. Or if you are good at music, you can use it to express yourself and entertain others. 4. Increase your happiness. When you use your strengths, you feel more joy and satisfaction in your work and life. 4. You also feel more aligned with your purpose and values. 4. For example, if you are good at kindness, you can use it to help others and make a difference in the world. 4. Or if you are good at optimism, you can use it to see the bright side of things and cope with stress. 5. Overcome your challenges. When you use your strengths, you are more resilient and adaptable to the difficulties and changes that you face. 5. You can also use your strengths to compensate for or improve your weaknesses. 5. For example, if you are good at curiosity, you can use it to learn new things and solve problems. 5. Or if you are good at honesty, you can use it to admit your mistakes and improve yourself. How to find your strengths. Finding your strengths can be challenging because they are often hidden or taken for granted. Here are some ways to discover your strengths. 1. Take a test. There are many online tests and assessments that can help you identify your strengths based on various criteria. 1. Some examples are the Clifton Strengths Finder, https:/www.gallup.com/cliftonstrengths/n/home.aspx. 1. The VIA Character Strengths Survey, https://www.viacharacter.org/. 1. And the Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, https://www.myersbriggs.org/. 1. These tests can give you a detailed report of your top strengths and how to use them effectively. 2. Ask for feedback. You can also ask for feedback from people who know you well, such as your family, friends, colleagues, or mentors. 2. They can provide you with valuable insights and perspectives on what they think are your strengths and why. 2. For example, you can ask them questions like, 3. What do you think I am good at? 4. What do you think I enjoy doing? 5. What do you think I am confident about? 6. What do you think I receive compliments or praise for? 7. What do you think I feel proud or fulfilled about? You can also ask them for specific examples of when they saw you using your strengths or when they benefited from them. 1. Reflect on your experiences. You can also reflect on your past and present experiences and look for patterns and themes that reveal your strengths. 1. For example, you can ask yourself questions like, what are the things that I enjoy doing the most? What are the things that I learn quickly and easily? What are the things that I receive compliments or praise for? What are the things that make me feel proud or fulfilled? What are the things that I would do even if I were not paid or rewarded? You can also look for evidence of your strengths in your achievements, hobbies, passions, values, and goals. How to use your strengths. Once you have identified your strengths, you can use them to your advantage by 1. Applying them to your goals. You can use your strengths to plan and execute your goals more effectively and efficiently. 1. For example, if one of your strengths is creativity, you can use it to generate new ideas and solutions for your projects or problems. 1. Or if one of your strengths is math, you can use it to solve complex problems or manage your finances. 2. Seeking opportunities that match them. 2. You can use your strengths to find and pursue opportunities that match them. 2. For example, if one of your strengths is communication, you can seek opportunities that involve speaking, writing, teaching, or influencing others. 2. Or if one of your strengths is music, you can seek opportunities that involve playing, composing, or teaching music. 3. Developing them further. 3. You can use your strengths to grow and improve yourself continuously. 3. For example, if one of your strengths is curiosity, you can use it to learn new things and expand your knowledge base. 3. Or if one of your strengths is honesty, you can use it to admit your mistakes and improve yourself. 4. Sharing them with others. 4. You can use your strengths to help and inspire others. 4. For example, if one of your strengths is kindness, you can use it to show compassion and generosity to those in need. 4. Or if one of your strengths is optimism, you can use it to encourage and motivate others. Conclusion. Finding and using your strengths is one of the best ways to achieve success and happiness in life. By knowing what you are good at and passionate about, you can leverage them to reach your full potential and make a positive impact on the world. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to comment below what are some of your strengths and how do you use them to your advantage.